Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher Leveling Leg. It's going to be a very easy repair and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new leveling leg. The leveling leg helps the dishwasher stay stable. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the dishwasher is vibrating while it's going through the cycles. In order to change the part, we have to pull the dishwasher out. So we're going to go underneath the sink and disconnect the lines. Now that we're underneath the cabinets, you want to make sure that the dishwasher is still unplugged, and you may want to throw a towel down. When we take off the fill line and the drain hose, there's going to be some water that comes out. First, we're going to disconnect the fill line. It's connected right here to the hot water valve. You want to make sure the water valve is off, and then we're going to use our 5/8" wrench to loosen up the hose. Once you have it broke free, you can just reach in and unscrew it by hand. Once you have it off, you can just set it down, and then we can take off the drain hose. To take the drain hose off, you just want to follow it up to wherever it goes. It may go to the garbage disposal. Ours goes up to the air gap. Once you locate the end of it, we're going to take a 5/16 nut driver and loosen up the clamp. Once you have the clamp loose, you can pull it free and set it down. Now that we have the lines disconnected, we can open up the dishwasher door and take out the lower rack. To get the rack out, all you have to do is pull it out. Once you have it out, take it off and set it aside. Now that we have the rack out, we can use a Phillip screwdriver to remove the screws that hold the dishwasher to the countertop. Once you have the screws out, we're going to lift up on the door, and we can use that to carefully pull the dishwasher out from the cabinets. Once you have it out of the cabinets, we can grab it by the frame and pull it out the rest of the way. Once you have the dishwasher out of the cabinets, we're going to throw a towel down to protect the floor when we lay the dishwasher on its side. Once you have the towel down, we're just going to carefully lay the dishwasher on its side. Now that we have the dishwasher on its side, we have access to the leveling legs. There's 4 of them, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. They're all changed out the same way. In order to get them off, all you have to do is unscrew them. If they're tight, you can use adjustable pliers and just loosen it up. Once you have it broke free, just unscrew it all the way. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dishwasher. Here's the old leveling leg next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new leg in, all you have to do is line it up with the hole and screw it in. Once you have it started, you just want to run it in so it's at the right level. Once you have it installed, we can put the dishwasher back up on its feet. Once you have the dishwasher back on its feet, we can take the towel off the floor. Now we have to reach underneath and put the lines through the cabinets. We want to push the dishwasher in about halfway. Then we can go underneath the sink and pull on the lines to make sure they're not caught on anything. Then we can push the dishwasher in the rest of the way. Now we can reconnect the drain hose to the air gap. Once you have it pushed up into place, we're going to use our 5/16" nut driver to tighten down the clamp. Once you have the drain line hooked up, we can hook up the water line. All you have to do is get it started by hand. Once you have it snug, we can reach in with our 5/8" wrench to tighten it down so it doesn't leak. Now that we have the lines reconnected, we can open up the dishwasher door. We're going to use the Phillip screwdriver to put in the screws that hold the dishwasher to the countertop. Once you have the screws in, we can put the lower dish rack back in. All you have to do is set it on the door and push it all the way back in. Once you have it in, you can close the dishwasher door. Then we can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.